See what we need. We'll need a big mechanical pencil and a big pen, and I've already taken this one apart. And what you do is you take it apart. All you really need is this piece here, and the mechanical pencil, you pull the end off here, and I've already cut the end off here with my little nice little cutters here. And as you pull it out, you cut that off. So you have this and this. And we'll also need some rubber bands. And we'll take and put a slit in the head of the eraser so that our rubber band will go in. This is one of those I wish I had a little saw, but I'll do it with a pocket knife. And we'll need a little duct tape. What we'll do is we'll put the rubber band, and I've cut this slit in the end, as you can see. Put the rubber band in this little slit, like so. Stretch it out here to the other end. Hold it in place. Put our duct tape on. And if I can keep it on there, just to roll off. Anyway, I'll just have to hold it by hand. Put the duct tape on. Duct tape will hold the rubber band from moving. Like that. The duct tape is stuck. Rubber band is stuck. And voila. Now to make this a little stronger, we'll use another rubber band. I just happen to have a few more. Now you can use a thicker rubber band and it will have more power than these thinner ones. But I don't have any thick ones right now. You can add as many rubber bands as you can possibly fit on there if you like also. And it will eventually get hard to pull. Alright. Now, there it is. Pretty much made. All we need to do is put a little beads in there. These are the 6mm. They fit right in. Seems like it'll take me a bit of practice to get that any good.